Hello students, today we will continue the factorization chapter from R.D. Sharma for class 8. This is the second part and the first part is already in the link. Please check there. Now this is sums number 17. Now here we will apply a square minus b square formula. A plus b multiplied a minus b. So now this is your a and 25 as a b. So expand with the identities and get your answer. Let's start sums number 19. Now the first brackets you can consider as the a and 25a whole square as a b. Now expand with the formula a plus b and a minus b. Here in both brackets there is small calculation because of the like term. 2a plus 5a, that is 7a, and 3 minus 3a. Now you can take common 3 from the second brackets because 3 is a factor, so that is your answer. Now sums number 20 and 18 quite similar. Try at your home and we will start sums number 21. Now you can write 1 by 16 as a 1 by 4 square and x square y square as a xy. So you can write 1 by 4 xy whole square. Similarly, in the second expression you can write 2 by 7 yz whole square. Now expand with the formula. This is your a and this is your b. So a plus b and a minus b. So this is your answer. Let's start sums number 22. So here we first take common from the two terms. So 3a b square is the common. So what we left 25 a square minus 36 b square. So you can write 5a whole square for 25a square and for 36b square you can write 6b whole square. So 5a is our a and 6b is our b. So expand 5a plus 6b and 5a minus 6b. Don't skip the video. Now again sums number 23 and 22 is same. So we will do 24 now. So again we can take 2 as a common from the numerator. So what we left 25 by x square minus x square by 21. So you can write 5x whole square minus x by 9 whole square. So this is your a and 6x by 9 is your b. So expand with the formula x by 5 by x plus x by 9 multiply with 5 by x minus x by 9. So this is your answer. Now sums number 25 and 24 is quite similar. So we will do now sums number 26. So a to the power 4 can be written a square whole square, and look at this portion you can write 2b plus c whole square whole to the power 2. So this is your b and a square is your a. So expand with the formula a plus b and in multiplied with a square minus 2b plus c whole square. So because of this plus, there is no factors formula in the first part, so you can write as it is. But second part, again you can apply a square minus b square, a plus 2b plus c multiplied with a minus 2b plus c. So just copy this part, a minus 2b minus c. So this is your answer. Let's start sums number 29. Again we can take common 3xy from the first and second term. So what we got, x square minus 81 y square. So hope now you clearly understood about this formula. So expand x plus 9y and x minus 9y. So that is your answer. Let's do another sums. You can write a to the power 4 b to the power 4 as a square b square whole square and 16c to the power 4 as a 4c square whole square. So clearly hope you understand this is your a and 4c square is your b. So expand a plus b and multiplied with a minus b. So in the first bracket, that is plus sign is there, so no factorization formula, so keep as it is and you can write ab square minus 2c whole square. So expand the second brackets using the formula ab plus 2c and ab minus 2c. Hope you understand today's class. Please subscribe my channel to get the next part of this chapter very soon.